I'm gonna do something a little different today. I spent a couple hours in the room here cleaning and trying to get my life straightened out and in order. My life works best in order. A little bit about myself. I'm not a deadbeat father. I am not a bum. I am not lazy. These are things I am not. What I am is a father that wants to be a father, that needs a son, and a son needs me. And then I will work on my daughter, the relationship I should have with her as well. These things I have been denied, and I'm no longer going to accept that. I shouldn't be denied my son. And my son should not be denied his father. I suffer things in life. That's my lot right now. I do not like to feel pain. I do not like to feel stress in my neck. I want to be productive. I'm a damn good customer service rep. I work for some reputable companies. But the last two jobs I went after, I had test anxiety and I did not pass. Does that make me a failure? No. I just need to clean some things up so I can pursue my dreams and my desires. You know, I'm not trying to take anything away from anybody, my son, my ex-wife, anybody. I'm just trying to find peace. So what I did today is I got all my papers together and organized the papers I need to show people. I have written a letter to the courts of Pennsylvania, and the feedback that I have gotten from it is good. I was surprised that I did not get too emotional. So that will be going out in the mail in the next day or so. I need to go down to DSHS to find assistance immediately. I won't go into great detail on my situation here, but it's not the best, and it doesn't have to be like this, but I need to get it all done, and it becomes overwhelming at times. You know, I just want to be happy. You know, I love to smile. I love to share. I love to help. But it becomes annoying when all I'm doing is asking for help. You know? And this isn't just about me, it's about my family. My family needs a release here. You know? There's got to be a solution, because this is a problem and I need to find the solution. You know? And all help will be appreciated. I need strength because I only have so much. My body is hurting, but my mind and my soul is strong, and I'm determined. You know? Life shouldn't be like this. It should be fun, and it is fun. But that fun is always put to the back burner because of stress. because it's something I need to do to fix my life. When these mistakes are not all mine. I have made mistakes. I am no angel. But I should not be getting punished like this. Nor should my son. My son is being punished. He's not able to see his father. So that's what I'm asking for, is help. I do thank you. And we'll meet again.